Hi, hello, and welcome Travel with Sawmeer. Today I'm going to show you a falafel sandwich. This is the first time I'm having this big, the wonderful falafel sandwich. So I have visited in Rayyan. They have branches in Rayyan. This restaurant called Petra Plus Restaurant. So they are specialized to make like shawarma and falafel. So the falafel is very tasty, and you have to go and try. It's a wonderful experience. The falafel is deep fried bowl of flat donut shape. So they have dining and takeaway or and delivery also. So I just ordered two falafel. Each one is 5 riyal, so it's equal to $1.50. My two falafel sandwich has come to my table, so I'm ready to eat now, and I'm excited to eat that one. So you can see this inside is full of salad and the falafel donut and tahini sauce. It's white color tahini sauce. It's very tasty. You have to come and try this one. This is the first time I'm having the falafel in Doha. So it's very tasty, and the falafel is very crispy. uh, you have to try this one. It's a big falafel, so I thought this one is not enough, so I ordered two, but it's very difficult to finish it one. So I'm enjoying my falafel sandwich. They have branches in Rayyan, Maidar, Garafa, Alwab and Asisia. So you can go and try all the same flavor and same menu. So it's very nice. They have also different kind of Arabic food like hummus food and uh, some sort of dishes, and they have barbecue chicken, barbecue meat. So you can go and try. And if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell button, so you will get my update videos every week. I will update videos every week, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like and share all the social media. And I will put the location of the restaurant, so you can go and try and give your feedback below down the comment section. Thank you very much for watching my video. Bye bye.